Hello, Beth here from Aspire Insurance Group. So, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about property insurance, and we're seeing the insurance replacement costs really start to creep up, which obviously then has a direct impact on rates. So, I wanted to just take a minute and frame kind of what we're seeing going on, and then talk about what are some solutions that we have at our fingertips to help control. Um, so, we're seeing cost of goods really go through the roof. Obviously, there's been a lot of talk of the inflation that we're just seeing in the economy. We have some pretty significant supply chain issues, so the repair of homes is taking longer. There's a labor shortage, so labor is costing more. It's also taking longer to get things fixed. So we've all heard lumber being at close to all-time high. It's come down maybe a little bit right now, but the other products like steel have gone up quite a bit as well. So I can just share also my own experiences that we have the unfortunate timing of building a house at this time. We're just finishing up right now, and from the beginning of when we started the process, we actually had to get the home rebid there was about a 3 month time frame we had to get it rebuilt. And just in that 3 month time frame from when we first had the home quoted to the second time when we had to have it rebid, the materials cost alone was actually increased by about 50,000. So that's my own personal experience I'll share with you, that it is very, very much affecting just the cost of homes and how much the cost of repair is just really going up. So we insure homes here and properties here most often on a replacement cost basis. So that means new for old. That means that when these costs are going up and labor prices are going up and things are taking longer, it's costing more. And that's good. That's reflective in what we're seeing, the insurance rates increasing. Um, so what are some things that we can do to kind of stay ahead of this or control it as best we can? Number one is, it's so smart being with an independent insurance agent that has multiple companies so they can shop rates is going to just be a really strong benefit right now. Traditionally, bundling home and auto or finding ways, if maybe you have commercial business, but finding ways where you can get as many policies under with the same company so you can maximize your discounts. Check your deductibles. There are some people that you have an $800,000 house, but you still have a $500 deductible or a $1,000 deductible. It may be worth looking at bumping those deductibles up. That's a great way to save some money. Reviewing your insurance with your agent, because there's different things. Maybe you updated your roof and you forgot to let us know. There's a pretty significant discount for newer roofs, and maybe you have a security system that we don't know about. So reviewing the policy to make sure that any available discounts on there are being leveraged. um, and if you're with an independent insurance agent, you can have the account remarketed as well. Though we are actually finding that we're mostly reworking policies rather than moving a lot of people right now. Um, Another thing you can do is review your insurance evaluation. Replacement cost estimators is something that insurance agents run. It's their software systems. So you can review that to make sure that it is accurate. And those systems, they stay updated according to zip codes. So building costs in your area, that it'll adjust. So, but that's kind of what we're seeing. Those are a few ways that we can help. But we are here to advocate for you. We have a fiduciary responsibility as independent agents to watch out for your best interests. So that's a little bit about the property market right now in 2022.